up the featherboard like you would any other featherboard. You're going to make sure that you're not going to pinch the blade. You're going to apply the tension, that desired tension that you want. And as you see me set this, you'll see a closed hinge open. I have my applied pressure. I'm going to lock it down just like I would any other featherboard. Now I'm good to go. We're going to show just what happens as this board goes through. We hit that first feather. You can see the hinge open. It folds over. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. They're all open now. I have silky smooth glide. But in the event of a kickback, you'll see this hinge close. And as it closes, even before it's closed, it's very aggressive. It's pinching that wood against the fence. It's arresting the kickback. And I've gained maximum advantage when the hinge is closed all the way. Let's see what you got. We have just under 5 pounds. What do we have?
About the same.
Just under 5 pounds. Let's see what we have coming back. Six to 6.5 pounds. Okay, so now we're going to take the FeatherPRO, we're going to tension it, just like we did with the plastic featherboards. And Ron's going to measure, we're going to zero out, Ron's going to measure the in-feed forces.
5 pounds right in the nose.
5 pounds in-feed pressure. The same as the plastic featherboards. They're closing, they've closed, we've reached maximum mechanical advantage. Now we have to overcome that. This is what it's all about. 62 pounds of force it took to overcome that. That's the safety feature right there. Now we're going to talk about marring and chatter marks left on your product after running through a shaper, router, saw. And how ours will not mar the wood, and because of the material, it absorbs vibration, mitigating chatter marks. So I'm going to just set this. We're going to run this piece of mahogany through here. I'm not going to cut it. I'm going to show you that going through with high pressure. It doesn't matter what the pressure is. It's not going to mar it, and it's not going to leave a black mark. The material is not going to rub off on it. And then we're going to set this traditional plastic featherboard up, and we'll take a look at what happens. So now we're going to run this through, and you'll see, I can see it already, it left a shiny mark. Almost like a small dent. Now, if that's a finished edge, that's a problem. Even if it's not a finished edge, if it's a glued up edge, it won't act the same as the non-marred area. You have more surface contact with the FeatherPRO than a traditional featherboard, plastic fingers. That allows for more control. It spreads the pressure out. And between that and the material itself allows for a very silky smooth glide. What happens when you make incidental contact with a featherboard to a saw blade or router bit, shaper cutter, something like that. Now we set this up to actually make contact with the cutter.